Hey everyone, welcome back. So I'm back with another tutorial, and this time around it's a brow tutorial. Let's jump straight into this tutorial. So I'll be using two different brow pencils today and a Browdrama brow mascara, and then I'll be going in with my flat brush and going in with a spoolie, brush out my brow hair into place. You want to do this before you start your brow. So going in with my Davis brow pencil in the shade number 18, I'll be using this to kiss while outlining the bottom of my brows. So you want to kiss, like what I mean by that is that you want to start just right where your brow hair starts. You don't want to go too high up or too down. So I literally kiss my brow hair with my brow pencil, so just to give me the natural brow shape I like. I just went back in with a spoolie to brush out my brow hair and the pencil wax together, making sure this is well blended together. So I went in with a light concealer. I love going in with a lighter concealer, not something too dramatic anyway. So today I went in with my black Opal Total Cream concealer foundation, if I'm right, concealing foundation. So I'll be using this to knitting to shape out my brow, to shape out the under part of my brow. So, and once I'm happy with that, I'll just go in one more time, making sure and being careful and gentle, using a soft hand at the same time, making sure I have everywhere covered. Neatly done. So to outline the upper part of my brow, I went in with Ben 9 cream foundation, and this is in my shade. So I'm just using this carefully, again taking your time, taking my time. I take my time. So if you want to do this, make sure to take your time, no rushing. So I'm just using this to carefully knitting out the shape, the upper part of my brows, just as I'm doing. So I love to go in as close as possible to my brow hair, like if you get what I mean. I love to go in as close as possible. I don't like too much drama on the brows, especially giving it to, an extra shape. So I love going in with my natural brow hair, like, just to give me like the width of my brow hair. Obviously it's not more natural, but at least something so close. You can see the difference between one of the hair that has been concealed and being cleaned right now with a buffer brush compared to the other one that we didn't conceal. So it's very important, if you want to conceal your brows. It makes it look more neater, more sharper, and more defined. So to brush the brow hair back into place, I'll be going in with my Browdrama, and this is in toffee. So I'll be using this to blend out, to brush and blend out my brow hair. So just as I'm doing in this video, and look at the difference from one brow hair to the other one is dark. I'm actually going to leave it like that throughout this video so that we can compare, so the purpose of this video is to show you how you'll get that natural faded light brows. So that's the difference between the two. So I love my brows as light and as natural as it can be. So I'm just using this to carefully blend this and going back with my spoolie, so just to brush in everything carefully. That's the completed look. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share. So that's the two brows done. Thank you for watching.